Hi friends, this is Sandeep. In profession, I am an engineer under Engineering Council London. But I have hobby of writing and singing and playing crickets. So all my hobbies are there. So I want to uh, share certain of my uh, ethics or principle or my experience with you. Already I've uploaded certain singing videos and I've written a book on as learning curves, which is published globally. You can get it through Amazon and Flipkart, etc. It is widely working in overseas. Like it has been published in Waterstone, London, Higginbotham's, and Florida also, Auckland, New Zealand. So the thing is that I have shared some of my experience, feelings, and technical things in a literature, in a in the manner of literature actually, so that any person who are not uh, who have not learned uh, science or technology, they can also find it interest. I can share one experience with you. I think you may like it, but this has happened to me as I'm working as engineering head in a company. Sometimes we become very frustrated on criticism. What I suggest you, don't be frustrated. Sometimes critics shows our way. It has happened to me. Today I have put certain extra effort, or uh, I've gone through certain learning process. It is due to make my critics full. So critics, don't ignore. Take it as a blessing, and you work on your weak areas, and come out of it. So criticism, to be criticized is not a bad thing, but you don't criticize others. So that is one of my thing. And now let's move to certain things of learnings and engineering, which is my passion. Actually, I already told you that engineering is my passion. uh, which topic I can get it. Let us take vacuum transfer system. Vacuum transfer system is very widely used, actually widely used in the industry, whether it is pharmaceutical or it is chemical. It can transfer the material very comfortably and within a restricted time frame. So there are two things you have to take care while selection a vacuum transfer or system or vacuum transfer pump or the blowers. Okay. Now the thing I'll give you the basic things. See, there are two important criteria for the vacuum transfer system: is the transfer height and transfer rate. Transfer height depends on the pump head. Transfer rate depends on the airflow rate of pump, that is CFM, cubic feet per minute. Okay, the more is the airflow, the more transfer rate, and the transfer height depends on the pump head. For your information, you see any vacuum pump. See what is the atmospheric pressure. What is the atmospheric pressure? It is 750 mm of Hg. So what is the maximum vacuum a pump can create? That is 750 mm of Hg only. So if you convert in water column, it will come 10.3 meters WC water column. So the transfer height, if the bulk density within 1 kg per liter, the transfer height cannot be above 10 meter using a vacuum pump, right? Then transfer rate depends on the CFM selection of vacuum pump. Actually, what is the rating CFM of vacuum pump? That is airflow. To transfer, the more the airflow, the more the transfer rate. Actually, in my book, I have explained theoretically and mathematically how what is the actually transfer rate depends on two factors basically: CFM of vacuum pump and the density of the product to be transferred. This is the one thing. Now the question remains: if the transfer height goes more than 10 meters or 10.3 meters, if it is 15 meters, so what we have to do? Actually, in that case, you have to select a root blower, where the root blowers works in very high velocity pressure. That velocity pressure will work as a pressure head. That is the transfer height. So if the basic is that if it is more than 15 meters, so vacuum pump is not going to work. More than 10 meters, vacuum pump is not going to work. You have to go for the root blower with appropriate CFM. You calculate that normally product transfer line size is 2 meter 2 mm, sorry, 2 inch. It is 25 point 2 inch means 50 mm all about. So you can calculate it, the velocity, the v meter per second. Then the height you will get v squared by 2g, that is meter per second square, divided by 2 into g acceleration due to gravity, 9.8. So we'll get the transfer height in meter. So friends, this is how. And if you want to get that mathematical calculation, you have to go for my book, that is Learning Curve by Sandeep Roy. You can get in Amazon or in Flipkart. It's very cheaper cost, and you go through this. If you have any queries, you can write. I'll respond to that. So if you like this video, so I'll go for the next one with next topic. Okay. Till then, goodbye, and wish all of you a beautiful evening uh, and excellent tomorrow. Okay. Best of luck. This is Sandeep. Bye.